Hi Scorpio, welcome to your reading from 5th of April to 20th of April 2021, and this video is for you if your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus are in Scorpio sun sign. So I'm going to use my oracle and oracle cards today, and I'll clarify from my good tarot. So let's go ahead with our reading, Scorpio. So Scorpio for 5th of April to 20th of April. I'm using my symbol augury card. Let's see what is the message we have here. Planning. So I think you're thinking about something, you're planning a future. A lot of things are just intentional. It's in your thought. Probably you have to take action, or something you're planning in your head. Okay, I'm pulling one card from Shaman Oracle, and this is the medicine wheel. Very wonderful. This is the card which is called Wheel of Fortune in tarot. So the medicine wheel says that you heal yourself in the north direction, you heal yourself in the south direction, you heal yourself in the east direction, you heal yourself in the west direction, you heal your fire, water, air and earth element, life elements, and this is like the serpent energy here. A lot of integration of masculine and feminine energies here, and it is like, if you can see, there is a circle here. It actually says that it's time to plan the future, because things have definitely moved a step forward for you. Okay, it's time for you to get out of the phases, get out of your past and get into future, and plan your life. That's wonderful, isn't it? Let's pull some cards, like let's see which archangel is helping us out, or maybe a crystal. This card is two-sided, so I'll pull the card and I'll see the other side. So whether that's archangel's card or a crystal card, let's see with what is guiding you. Okay, the Archangel Gabriel. So Archangel Gabriel is actually asking you to meditate. Normally also, mostly people meditate when there is some situation in their life. Make meditation a part of your life. Just a 5 minutes of any sort of meditation that you can do. Doing puja, worshipping your gods is different from meditation. Meditation is really coming back to your own self. Okay, so you have to really balance your chakras. Get back to start listening to your inner voice, which has a very fickle voice. It has a very feeble, rather not fickle but feeble voice. It is so dull and dim that you can surpass it. So but then you should be able to hear that voice and work towards it, because you have to be open to the voice of angels around you. That's what is Archangel Gabriel telling, that just surrender yourself to the angels, surrender yourself to your divine, and meditate. Even if 5-10 minutes during the day, that's enough. Make meditation or mindfulness your second nature. That's very important. It should be a normal part of your day. Okay, very wonderful. Normally Archangel Gabriel also looks after communication. It looks after your water life element. Archangel Gabriel looks after pregnancy, your sexual organs. If you are a teacher, so you can connect with Archangel Gabriel to invoke Archangel Gabriel to understand how to teach your children, so that what to communicate to your children, to your students, so that they can understand. Okay, so let's pull one card from the tree of tarot. Tree of tarot. Oh, Temperance. This is Ardhanarishwar. Shiva and Shakti. Again, another amalgamation of masculine and feminine energy. This is Ardhanarishwar. Temperance as balancing. It's like coming to a point of balance, not exactly compromise, but it is balance, total balance, totally in sync. You and your soul, you and the divine, you and your partner, you and your work. Okay, so two opposing forces coming um, coming in sync, coming in the same, working in same rhythm. So these are your messages from the oracle. Let's see what is it that you have to plan. So you have to listen to your inner voice, you have to think, plan your life. Things are definitely changing in your life, and a lot of balance has already come with Ardhanarishwar and Temperance card here. So it seems like these 14-15 days, a lot of balancing is happening for you, and a very positive balance. Probably you are planning out your life, and a lot of healing is automatically happening. I mean, even if you're not meditating, even if you're not doing anything, things are definitely moving towards more of balance, more of harmony. So I mean, I with this planning thing, I also think that, a lot of chess is, if you can see, in this, there's a mental chess that you're playing. Okay, so mental chess is what planning. It can be something that you're thinking. This would happen, that would happen. So that is why meditation came your way. That make it a normal part of the day, so that your mind is under your control. Okay, because things are definitely changing for you and is requiring a lot of balance internally, because even if divine wants to work for you, but karma you have to create. That openness you need to have. Okay, and that readiness also, that willingness to let the divine work for you and to interfere into your life is a decision that you have to make. Okay, so it is also, I don't know whether you're going to take action or not, because here I am stuck. Is up till now I have not seen any action that you should be taking for your life. It is like divine is helping you out. Things have just got over. Archangel Gabriel is asking you, one action that you have to take is meditation. Okay, these two cards, Two of Earth and Messenger of Earth. So these two cards are, Two of Earth is like you're kind of juggling between two decisions, choices, and you have to finally take a decision. And Messenger of Earth is Knight of Pentacles, which is a very slow, very reliable, resourceful, hardworking energy. It is also towards money, because medicine wheel also signifies wheel of fortune, which is things are changing towards abundance. Ardhanarishwar is complete balance. It's like whatever has happened. Now things are balanced, right? So you also have to plan towards this decision. And for that only you have to have this mental clarity through meditation. Though things will be a little slow with Messenger of Earth, but it will be of great value. So don't rush into something. Be flexible, be open. It's time to take a decision. World, see, medicine wheel, world, these are cards that actually signify a lot of fortune and finishing of a phase of your life and getting into another. So Scorpio, I believe it is time for you to create value in these 15 days. How is what I am trying to find out, but this is, what, up till now, none of the actions that I can see has to happen from your side in the physical realm, rather only a meditation and clearing of your head, so that you can plan your life and move towards the fortune and balance, which anyways in 5 dimension is yours. In 3 dimension, the only action you have to take is clear your head from this chess, meditate for that, because things are definitely moving towards completion. It can be a little slow, and that slow thing is also because you will take time to really put positivity in your intention. So stay flexible. It's very important for you to stay flexible. You may be juggling between two aspects of your life also. This is what I'm saying, but that would also end, because World card is actually completion card. It is a card which says that I found my key and I'm getting into it. Okay. Then we have Two of Fire. Yet another decision making exploration. You are Two of Earth, Two of Fire. There, like you have to finally take a decision for your life, and that is why I said that I'm trying to find out what action you have to take. But every action has to be is actually at the mental level. So your head, your mind has to be clear. Your heart has to be free. That heaviness that you keep feeling has to go, and you have to really explore the world. Probably you have just you have tried to assess yourself from the limited understanding of life, and the cards are saying that explore, plan your life. Two of Fire is also exploration, planning your life, having two options and finally taking a decision, and setting a journey, really completing, getting into a new journey and planning your life. So I mean, a lot of planning, a lot of mental work is here. The action has to be at the mental level, and I'm really happy to receive Ardhanarishwar, the Temperance card here of Shiva and Shakti. This is again Purush and Prakriti card. It's a wonderful card. Oh, Two of Water, my goodness. 222. Two of Water is a soulmate card. I believe, you are actually moving towards finding your soulmate. Before that, before your soulmate comes into your picture during these 15 days time, or time is flexible, this work has to be done mentally, that you have to let go of the past, get out of that thing, set a new, plan your life, get into your life. Just don't wait for this Two of Cup to enter into your life, but this is the mental work, this is the psychological work that you have to do, is plan your life, meditate, wait, have patience. You're finishing a journey, let go of what is not serving you, devote time to Shiva and Shakti and meditate. Archangel Gabriel will really help you out. Maybe you have to communicate something, just communicate and get out of it. Do not hold anything back. You may be juggling between yes, no, some decision. You might have been sticking on to some person or some job or some talks or some gossips or something that would have hurt you. You have to come out of it. This Two of Cup is a very good card. It is actually saying that a lot of healing is your way. Kind of a soulmate connection is also on your way. Also, 222, if you find it out if you can search in Google, 222 is the card, is an angelic number which says that the work has been done, the seed has been sown. Now keep watering it with positive thoughts, with positive planning, with things have been done. Think positive. For that, meditate. Things are balanced. So all mental work, think positive. What you could have done, you have done it. Get out of the past. Nothing physical, but all mental, all at the energy level, all at the psychological level. So that's wonderful. These 15 days time, I don't think you will take these 15 days time, but still, I believe a lot of waiting is there. It has been a slow thing. You might have had a lot of anxiety, I believe, but thankfully you are coming out of it. I'll just pull one more card for Scorpio. Messenger of Air. So there is an unexpected communication that will happen. It is coming along with Two of Water. Immediately after Two of Water, we have Messenger of Air. So this is something to do with an unexpected communication regarding a contract. If it is a job related thing, if it is a relationship, then there's a communication coming your way to change the whole course of your life. And that can be in terms of relationship, from a soulmate. Wow, I think you will have two people. 222 is also telling me probably you'll have two choices to make, and then finally you will come to, you'll finally communicate, whom do you want to go ahead with. That's amazing, no? Wow, Scorpio, so I really loved your reading. things are definitely changing for you. Just don't wait for the times to change, but you change yourself spiritually, psychologically, mentally, emotionally, at the energy level. Things are definitely working out for you. Not, life is happening for you, it is not happening to you. So give up on that negativity, give up on that, chess in your head. This will happen, that will happen, if I'll do this, that will happen. Why is he or she not talking, or whatever it is. There's a lot of thing that goes on into our head. So just plan your life. Understand that you're important. See yourself from the eye of the divine, and Archangel Gabriel and Shiva and Shakti will really help you out to come out of, and they will actually bring in this medicine wheel, stir up the whole healing process and the world, which actually says that we are done with the past now. We are moving into choices, new phase. Wow. Thank you, Scorpio, for this wonderful reading. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please share this video with your loved ones and let me know how these 15 days treat you. Bye-bye.